In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a squeeze page in Mailerlite. We are going to walk through the main settings you need to adjust so your landing page works as a focused squeeze page. A squeeze page is designed to do one simple thing: collect a visitor's information and then send them to the next destination after they submit the form. In Mailerlite, this can be done by editing an existing landing page, cleaning up the form fields, setting the success action, and then publishing the page with a custom URL slug. To begin, log into your Mailerlite account. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to let the main menu load. You are looking for the section labeled Sites. This is where Mailerlite keeps landing pages and website-style pages, so it is the place you need to go when you want to edit a squeeze page. Click Sites from the menu. After you open the Sites area, look for the landing page that you want to edit. This may be a page you already created earlier or a draft page that still needs final adjustments before it goes live. Click on the landing page you want to work on. The goal here is to open the editor so you can adjust the form and make sure the page is ready to collect leads in the way you want. Once the landing page editor opens, look at the page layout and find the form block. This is the section where visitors enter their information before submitting the page. For a squeeze page, it is usually best to keep the form simple and focused. Click directly on the form block so the form settings become available. Now remove any unnecessary fields from the form. For example, if your squeeze page only needs one basic piece of information, keep the form as simple as possible. Removing extra fields can make the page feel easier to complete and may help reduce friction for visitors. Be careful to remove only the fields you do not need and leave the important field or fields in place so the form still works as intended. After the form is cleaned up, click the form block again if needed so you can access its settings. Look for the option related to what happens after someone submits the form. In Mailerlite, this is usually labeled as the success page setting. Instead of showing a standard success message or default page, change the success page setting to redirect. This redirect setting is important because it controls where the visitor goes after completing the form. Once you change it to redirect, paste your destination link into the redirect field. This destination link should be the page you want people to visit after they submit the squeeze page form. It could be a download page, a thank you page, a confirmation page, or another relevant page in your funnel. Make sure the link is entered correctly, because this is the path visitors will follow after taking action. Once the redirect link is in place, take a quick moment to review the page. Check that the form still appears correctly, that the unnecessary fields have been removed, and that the redirect setting is saved in the form options. This quick review helps avoid simple mistakes before publishing. When everything looks ready, click Save and Publish. This will move you into the final publishing settings for the page. Before you launch it, Mailerlite gives you the option to edit the custom URL slug. The URL slug is the part of the page address that appears at the end of the link. Edit the slug so it is clear, simple, and relevant to the squeeze page. A clean slug makes the link easier to share and easier to recognize later. After editing the custom URL slug, click Save and Continue. This confirms the page settings and continues the publishing process. Finally, launch the page so it becomes available online. Once it is launched, your squeeze page is ready to collect submissions and redirect visitors to the destination link you added. That covers everything you need to know. You have opened your Mailerlite landing page, simplified the form, set the success action to redirect, added your destination link, customized the URL slug, and launched the page. And that is all there is to it.